So today I'm going to teach you how to create this Excel sheet. Okay, this Excel sheet can be used to insert marks, okay, maybe for an exam or any other marks in your company. All right, so all these values right here, the total, the percentage, the band, and the grade are automatically formulated by the program. All right, I'll show you how to do this color coding too. All right, I'm just gonna show you an example. I just insert some random scores for these parts. All right, so 4 3 2 3 5. Okay, just some random scores to just show you guys how the total, the percentage, the band, and the grades changes. And look at the color codes, they also change too. All right, how do you do this? All right, firstly, what you got to do is to create a table like this. These are just random names, okay? And then just create whatever marks you want to add in. Okay, how do you make this column here to sum up all the marks? Okay, on the formula bar right here, click on sum and just click on the box you want it to be summed up. All right, it should be in brackets. You don't have to type one by one, you just click one and drag it to the left, just like this. All right, once dragging it, it will be automatically assigned to sum up whatever values are on the columns. All right, so next, you want to do this for all the columns down here, all the rows down here, sorry. So you don't have to retype the formula, you just pull this small box right there, right to the bottom, and there you go, you have all ready. All right, so these are the sums for all the rows, and I'll make it to the middle. Next, percentage. How do you create a formula for percent? This is simple actually. You just click on the formula bar right here, equals, and you want to add up, you want to use this, the value on this box, and then divide it by 100. And next, you would want a percentage symbol on these rows. Okay, what you do is right click, but after highlighting all the boxes, and go to format cells and just choose on percentage. All right, for the decimal places, I don't want two decimal places, I don't want any decimal places. If you want decimal places, then do so. All right, now you have all the percentage, the symbol there, and again you just pull this small box right down and you will get the numbers intended. Now that we are done with that, we are going to add the band. All right, just click on the box. Okay, right, type down equals. Okay, now we are going to use the if formula. All right, for this you're going to use the if formula, type in bracket, and then for the logical test, it can be based on the total or the percentage. I'm going to use the total. All right, so I click on the box, the box where the total shows. All right, and the value, okay, like for example 80, and then I just type down the value. If it is true, if it is more than 80 or equals to 80, it will be band 6. Next, we are going to continue this if formula, so open bracket, type down if again, and open bracket, and it is going to be based on the same box, the same value, and this time I'm going to do it more or equals to 65, maybe, yeah, 65, nope, 70, okay, comma, and then the value if true should be band 5. Oops, I forgot the apostrophe. All right, you have to add the apostrophe to make sure the value appears. So I'll add this apostrophe. Yeah, close this, add apostrophes to each value if it is true. All right, and in the front here. All right, and I'm going to continue this if formula. So I tap down comma, open bracket, if, open bracket, and based on this, open bracket, based on this box, and now it'll be more or equals to 60. All right, and comma, yeah, the apostrophe, and the value is 4. Okay, next will be, again, I would like to continue this formula, so I type in comma, open bracket if, and open bracket again, sorry, and this box right here, more or equals to, let's say, 50 comma, and the value will be band 3, so I put it in apostrophes, and I will continue. I will continue this formula. Open bracket if this, oops, yeah, open bracket, click on this, more or equals to 40 maybe, okay, comma, and then this will be band 2. Okay, anything less than 40 will be band 1. So yeah, let me type band 2, and so this will be value if false. So I'm gonna end my formula right here. So I comma, okay, the value if false is 1, and put an apostrophe, and I'm going to type in a lot of brackets to make sure all the brackets have pairs. All right, so yeah, the last bracket right here, yeah, there's one more bracket. Okay, done. So that is how you create the band based on the total score. I want this for all the rows. So what I do, I just pull in the small box right here. Okay, yeah, and now everything is assigned. All right, for the grades, next the grades. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just copy the whole formula, type down on this band. All right, so I'm just gonna paste this same thing to the grades. Okay, and then you can change the values if you want to. Like for example, for bands we used numbers, and for grades I am gonna use letters. Okay, so if the score is more than 80, I'm gonna use A grade. So, and next the score if it is more than 70, B, and next, okay, you make sure you have the apostrophe, okay, the apostrophe, and next if the score is more than 60, C, 50 will be D, I guess, yeah, D, and 40 will be E. And now if the value is not there, any value less than 40 will be F. So we are done with that. We just pull this small box right here to make sure everything is filled. All right. Okay, to add color coding for this column right here, you just highlight them and then go to conditional formatting. All right, if you want to add color coding based on the grid, go to conditional formatting and go to, nope, not color skills, new rule. All right, new rule, and then click on format only cells that contain specific text and containing A. Okay, for example, A, I'm going to make this one green. So I go to fill and choose the green, the color that I want, and then click on OK. And I'm going to do the same thing, all right, for all the other grades. New rule, format only cells that contain cell value. All right, I can just use cell value also. Okay, and go to equal to and type in B and format and choose the color you want. Do the same thing for all the grades A, B, C, D, E, and F. All right. So now that I have done all the color codings, I'll try to insert some data. I'll just put some random numbers. Okay, this one is less than 40, so it's an F. It's black in color. This one is, oh, sorry, it's more than 200. They are just random numbers. So yeah, you just add random numbers. And this one is A. The color coding is green. And there you have it. You have a beautiful table that could organize your data.